Okay, my name is Max. My wife got me this drone. It's a Mavic Air, and we got the extra battery pack, and I decided to start doing just little videos. I live in Harker Heights, Texas. So the view that you getting right here is Harker Heights, Texas, by the Walmart. And right behind my house, there's a ditch. I started the video. Oh, wow. The neighbors have pools. That one's a big one. And a little one. Anyway, so I started playing around with the drone. I'm very impressed. The one thing that I don't like is that it has so much stuff it's a real drone. So when you're gonna start it, you gotta calibrate it and all that good stuff. And then if you're too close to an airport, it will detect it, and you gotta request authorization or from the software to fly it and and acknowledge liability if you decide to crash it against a airplane or something like that, or if you go above the 400 feet limit that you're not supposed to fly. But anyway. So I started doing these little videos. Right now I'm looking at the ditch right behind my house. Kind of boring, I guess, but it was fun to fly it. Right now the drone is set on the slow mode, so it will fly pretty slow and get really good pictures. And as you can see, the quality of the video is pretty good. At that point where I'm flying, I can't see the drone. I'm like probably 50 yards behind the drone, and I'm flying just with the camera. Which, by the way, I think is illegal. You're not supposed to fly without being able to see the drone. At that point, I think I decided to turn around. Yep. Turning around, and I was hoping that the neighbors will not freak out thinking that there's somebody looking in the yard or something like that. And I put it on speed mode right here, so you're gonna see a noticeable increase in speed on the flight. When I purchased, see, there you go. Now it's flying a little bit faster, and I think at that point I was able to see the drone. Yep, that's my house on the left. And I flew all the way out to the power line. Oops. Lower. And flew all the way out to the intersection of the ditch with the road. It was fun. And as you can see, there's a school bus going by. It's around 3:30. No, actually, it's around 4. When I recorded that, and I don't know if that in the water is the air from the drone. It's pretty fast and pretty strong. I'm very impressed. It was able to fly for 13 minutes and record HD video the whole time. So very impressed with the battery. It was supposed to last 21 minutes, but I haven't been able to get 21 minutes. Maybe it has to do with the weather conditions. Like, it's been really windy, as you can see. And but 13 minutes is the most that I've been able to fly it. I have 2 extra batteries, so there's me. I think it's time to mow that grass. Wonder what all those leaves are doing back there. That was close. And there's my Jeep. And I think I was trying to land it at that point. I don't remember. But we'll see. But as you can see, it's really nice toy and tool. I mean, I've seen some ads of people saying that they do roof inspections with it, which I'm about to look at my roof, I think. Yep. So there it goes up. And I was a little bit afraid of flying it too high, mainly because the wind. I didn't want it to be taken away by the wind. The other day I was flying it really high and the wind was really strong, and it gave a high winds warning on the software on the screen. So it was pretty cool to see that. So there it is. Those are my neighbors. That's my roof. That's my chimney, which my wife doesn't let me use. No, just kidding. Well, kinda. She doesn't want me to light a fire because it will stain it. There's the trucks, and that's my yard and the neighbor's house. And cool. Neighbor has a nice pool with a jacuzzi. I guess I'm being a little creeper there. That's me. And that's my dog. I think in the next video, it split the video in two. It was supposed to be one whole run, but it split the video in two. And the second video, I was chasing the dog with the drone. It's cold, really cold. It's like 40 something. Ooh, look at me. Getting old. Gray hair. That sucks. So yeah, there you go. That's my little toy. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what these blogging guys do. Like, they talk forever. I don't know how they do it. I kind of like run out of words. And I say a lot. I also tell my wife, a lot. She doesn't like it. Well, there it is.